on the social media circles. Before we get to that, allow us to bring you up to speed with one developing story that has definitely been encompassed on today's edition of Kenya's Bold newspaper, all to do with no sacred cows. The push and pull around the airlift program in Uasin Gishu County. And remember, yesterday we saw warrants of arrest issued against the Uasin Gishu Senator Jackson Mandago and 3 others. As you can see, live pictures from the Nakuru Law Courts, 3 of the suspects, including Uasin Gishu Senator Jackson Mandago, are already on the dock. I understand the court proceeding hasn't started as of yet, but once it starts, we'll definitely inform you. And remember, this is all to do with the Uasin Gishu airlift program that would have seen students from the county taken to Finland and other countries, including Canada, for studies. The 4, including 1 other who's outside the country, are facing 11 counts of conspiracy to steal over 1.1 billion shillings that was meant for students. Those are live pictures from Nakuru. You can trust us to keep you updated once any developments happen on that particular front. So let's recap one of the stories that set the base to what we're seeing today at the Nakuru Law Courts, just to bring you up to speed with what exactly the Uasin Gishu senator might be facing in terms of charges. Now, Jackson Mandago spent the night at Nakuru Central Police Station in connection with the Finland education airlift saga. Mandago was detained yesterday evening after he presented himself at the Rift Valley Regional DCI headquarters in Nakuru. This followed an order by the Nakuru Magistrates Court, which issued a warrant of arrest against the immediate former Uasin Gishu governor. The warrant of arrest has also been issued against 3 other individuals. Ken Gashuhi with the details.
Uasin Gishu Senator Jackson Mandago will tonight be a guest of the state, detained at the Nakuru Central Police Station. Mandago was arrested Tuesday evening after he presented himself at the Rift Valley Regional DCI headquarters in Nakuru. The former governor and 4 others who served under his administration are facing 11 counts related to the botched Finland and Canada overseas education program worth 1.1 billion shillings. Mandago and his co-accused were expected to present themselves at the Nakuru Law Courts to answer to various charges but failed to turn up. Early morning, Rift Valley Regional Coordinator for the Directorate of Public Prosecutions, Hassan Abdi, submitted to the court that Mandago, Mesha Krono, Joshua Lelei were unreachable on their phones and unavailable at their known residences. The 4th accused person, identified as Joseph Kipkemboi, is said to have traveled to Canada. The charge sheet for the 4 has 11 counts, which include conspiracy to commit felony, stealing money deposited in an account registered in the name of Uasin Gishu Overseas Education Trust, abuse of office, and forgery of documents with the intent to defraud the trust. Nakuru Senior Principal Magistrate Peter Ndege issued warrants of arrest against the 4 suspects and the details made public by the National Police Service. Mandago, however, refuted claims that he had gone into hiding and that he was ready to present himself at any location he may be directed. For 6 hours, the police maintained tight security outside the Nakuru Law Courts, ready to pounce on any of the suspects after details emerged that they were on their way here. Mandago, however, used alternative routes and arrived at the regional DCI headquarters at 4 p.m. accompanied by his lawyers, who were momentarily locked out. After an hour of interrogation, Mandago emerged from the offices and was bundled into a waiting police car which sped to Nakuru Central Police Station, where he will spend the night. The former governor is said to be arraigned at the Nakuru Law Courts Wednesday morning, even as the police intensify the search for his co-accused persons. Ken Gashuhi, KTN News, Nakuru County.
On a similar note, President William Ruto has for the first time spoken about the Finland airlift program.